long day. We drove 550 miles. I was aiming for 600, but this weather has been weathering. I drove through fog today, as you've seen, drove through rain, and with those conditions, you can only do so much. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I am in the midst of doing a 1,000-mile load, which is cool. I don't mind it, but it was a struggle getting here. Like, I came from Terre Haute, Indiana. Shout out, you know what? It's crazy. I went to Indiana State University in Terre Haute, and today was like, I was driving by the school, and I did not finish school. I did drop out. You know, I couldn't say that like 5 years ago. I felt so like horrible that I did not finish, but now I can say it because I'm me, whatever. But not only that, I'm not in the place of what's the word? I'm not in a place of, I don't know, but I'm good. I'm good with saying that now. That doesn't faze me. But it was like dope, like being able to go see the city. The city has changed a lot. And it was memories. I had to call my friend Cartrice because we went to school together. And I was telling her, I was like, look at the towers, look at this, look at that. And I was driving this big old truck back there, and I know those roads and everything, so it was kind of dope. So I went from Terre Haute back to Indianapolis. Well, I came from Toledo, Ohio to Indianapolis last night. And, well, I had a load. Okay, the load was going from Toledo, Ohio to Terre Haute. I stopped in Indianapolis, took my 10-hour, and then came down to Terre Haute, did that drop, and then went back to Indianapolis because I had to do a trailer washout. What I was carrying in my trailer, I was carrying salt, and it was pallets of salt, and some salt was dripped. It was dirt and all that in there. So now I got food in my trailer, so I had to get a trailer washout. Yeah, I wanted to record today, but it was just a lot going on. Like, when I got to the trailer place, they got me in, got me out, and then I got on the road. So it was just like, all right, well, here we are. So I am in Lebanon, Tennessee. When I got there, docked to the door, they loaded me. It was easy. So now I am at a truck stop. I'm at a mom and pop truck stop because they had parking and it's low key, and I just needed somewhere to crash. I went to a Pilot, and that Pilot was, I remember staying at that Pilot. I stayed at that Pilot, but it was just so crump, and it was just too turned up for me. And I just wanted something low key and chilled. Say hey, Jax. Jax, say hey. But did that. And so now I have like 700 miles to drive to Tomah, Wisconsin, where this load is going. And yeah, it's going to be an amazing trip. Of course, I'm not driving 700 miles in one day. I'm going to see. I want to do 5. I want to do at least 500 tomorrow. That's doable. I have 2 fuel stops. I have 1 fuel stop in Indianapolis, and then 1 fuel stop at South Beloit on the border of Wisconsin. I want to get to South Beloit tomorrow. That's going to be the goal. But we'll see how I feel and see what our time is saying. And if we got time, we might go a little further. We'll see. But it's just a full day of driving, though. I like that. I don't have, like, of course, the load says it's supposed to get there tomorrow, but it's probably not going to get there tomorrow. It will get there Friday morning because, like I said, it's 700 miles. If I was in my car, I could knock 700 miles out in one day. But driving this, you get very lethargic, and it's not meant to do that. You're not meant to do I know there's probably super truckers and all of that, because what you could do, you could split your clock. You could split your clock, take a nap, and keep it going. You could, possibly. That's how you would get some rest in, but you ain't got to do all that. But I just wanted to give y'all a synopsis of what happened today, and we're going to carry on. I'm going to finish eating a little TV dinner situation, because I just need to get some food in my body, and I'm going to lay it down. We're going to pull out about 6. It's 9 now, so yeah, that's some good hours of sleep. It's 9 o'clock, and I'm pulling out at 6. I could start my clock like at 6:22, and that's with the pre-trip included. Crazy, I have the AC on. The weather outside is like 60 degrees in Tennessee. I should have brought some shorts. I actually had some basketball shorts, but it is 60 degrees. I wish I got here earlier, because I could have, like, me and Jax could have went on a good walk. But it's late, I'm tired, and we'll do it another time. Good morning, good morning. Say good morning, Jax. We are about to get on the road. We are pre-tripped. Jax has been out. Jax has ate. I'm just starting out with, have you had these triple shot energies from Starbucks? I'm not making coffee this morning, at least not yet, so I'll make coffee a little later, but this is gonna be my coffee. These are really good. They do the thing, they get me ready. Jax, I want to speak to Jax. Come here. Say good morning. You take this off. You can relax for a little bit without your harness being on. But yeah, so it's not raining now. It's just still wet and look gloomy. We have 700 miles. 700 miles. I have 300 miles to my fuel stop, as I said last night. And so we're going to knock that out. 305 miles, and then I have 251 miles to South Beloit. I know most definitely that's where we're going to end up. Or we might get a little further. We'll see. Depending on time and traffic, because we got to go through Chicago. We'll see how it goes. Let's get on this road, y'all. I'm not playing. Let's do it. We can work on too.
right on US 231 North Cumberland Street.
All right, y'all, we are here at our fuel stop. It is busy. So we have driven, let's see what we have. Driven a total of 304 miles. I'm not tired. I woke up ready to drive. So we're going to do, we're going to get fuel and I'm going to get everything. So I don't have to worry about anything later. But we're going to get fuel. And then I'm going to take a 30-minute, let Jax out, get myself together, make something, grab something to eat, then get back on this road. Finally got free coffee at Flying J and Pilot for filling up here so much. I'm a part of the club, y'all. Long day, we drove 550 miles. I was aiming for 600, but this weather has been weathering. I drove through fog today, as you've seen, drove through rain, and with those conditions, you can only do so much. If it was dry, we could have most definitely knocked out 600. We are about 144 miles away from the cons. It's a drop and hook. My plan is to get up and leave at 4, get on the road, get that done. I got 2 other pre-plans, which is weird. It's not weird, but I like the miles. I'll take that back. I'm thinking I've done, when it's all said and done, I'm looking at 2,500 miles this week. 2,500 miles this week, y'all. Last week I did 2,100. I'm not mad at all. So, yeah, let's get in this truck. Y'all seen him doing his business, and yeah. Good morning, y'all. What's up? It is the next day. It's 4:18, and we are about to hit the road. I'm gonna go down the street to the Road Ranger to do my fuel stop, and there we go. Pre-trip is done. We're ready to hit the road. Let's do it. to our fuel stop. I ain't playing this morning. We're about to hit it. I just got my fuel. I made my coffee already. Let's make this a productive day. I'm praying that God blesses everyone who watches this in a very special way. Keep you, protect you, show you insight, give you strategy for whatever you may be facing, whatever season in your life you may be going through. You may be going through a season of drought. You may be going through a season of wealth. But I'm praying that God sees you through, and I pray that He gives you the plan. He gives you the strategy. I'm praying this for you, and I'm praying this for me, because I need some strategy in my life. I need more direction in my life. But let's hit this road. I just want to get comfortable, y'all. That's when you know you about to. That's when you know you are about to get some driving in. I don't know. Yesterday when I woke up, I just felt like driving. We drove 550 miles. We did it like it wasn't nothing. That's just how I'm feeling. You ever had those moments? If you're a trucker, you ever had those moments where you wake up and you're like, I'm just ready to drive. Let's get it. I got a little funny story. I remember I was going this way doing this load once before. And baby, my stomach did not agree. That morning, my stomach was not agreeing to something. It was bad. I nearly stopped at like 3 truck stops along the way. And there was one I was only like 15 miles away, and there was this one pilot I had to stop. That was the quickest ever parking that I ever did. I got that thing in there, and I said I was running to the bathroom. So ever since then, I try to watch what I eat. Don't eat things that are gonna startle my stomach and make things like that happen. Sometimes coffee does it. Hasn't done it in a long time because I guess my body's just used to coffee. But let's get on. Right, y'all, we made it at 7:06. We were not playing. It's just been raining all week, every single day since Monday. Today is Friday, so we're gonna get checked in. This is a drop and hook, so we shouldn't be here forever. Then we're gonna get on with the get on, and I'll check back in with y'all a little later.